Hi beautiful humans, today I have a chest opening floor flow for you today, so we're going to stay on our mat and meet me in a child's pose. Bring the knees out wide, the toes together, and lengthen the arms out in front of you. Drop your forehead, relax the eyes, relax everything, and come into this practice. Drop the hips down, drawing them closer to the heels as much as possible. Ground down through the hands and start to slowly bring the spine forward as you come on to the front sides of the hips and into a wide upward facing dog. Look forward, close the eyes. Take deep and long inhales and exhales. Feel free to roll the neck one way and then the other. Start to bend the arms and drop the chest closer to the mat, bringing the feet closer together. Bring your right hand out long on your right side and your left hand out long on your left side, tenting out the fingertips and slowly pushing your chest up and down with the flow of your breath. For a deeper back bend, you can bring the hands closer to the midline of the body. Do this on your own for 2 more times. Inhale to lift and exhale to fall down. Last one, inhale and exhale. Slowly drop the chest. Keep the right hand out long as you set the hand all the way down, bringing the left leg over the right on the back body, using that left hand to support. Breathe. Feel into this posture, and if you're wanting something deeper, you can bring the arm at a 90-degree angle. When you're ready, do this on the other side. On your next exhale, release. Bring the hands to the midline of your body, tuck the toes, and on your next exhale, lift up into a plank. Engage the core, engage the glutes, and hold. Keep the neck long, shifting your gaze to the top edge of your mat. And on your next exhale, drop the knees down to prep for cat-cow. Inhale, drop the belly, and exhale, round the spine, bringing chin to chest. And continue to do this for a few more rounds on your own. Inhale, drop the belly, and exhale, round the spine. On your next exhale, bring the hands forward, tuck the toes, and lift into downward facing dog. and hold for a few rounds of breath. You can bend one knee and then the other. Really feel into this posture. Exhale, drop the elbows for dolphin pose. And we're going to start to move forward into an upward facing dog. Slowly coming onto the hands as you pull the chest through for up dog. Tuck the toes and shift forward for chaturanga. And exhale, plank pose. Drop the knees and we're going to come into our puppy pose, so bringing the hands out long in front of you and dropping the forehead all the way down to the mat. If you want a deeper stretch, you can bring your chin to the mat, looking forward through the hands. Coming into our last pose of practice, bring the hands closer to the knees further apart, coming into, once again, your wide-legged child's pose. Drop the forehead, relax everything, and notice how this feels compared to beginning of practice. Thank you so much for joining me today on this very short practice. Sometimes we just need simplicity, and that's what we got today. Thank you again, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.